Okay, I'm going to start transformations, the intermediate questions. And let's see what this first one says. It says, let me make sure I'm on the right question. The diagram to the right shows a geometric figure on a coordinate plane. Which of the following shows a translation of this figure left 2 units and up 3? So I'm going to make sure I have my pen. I do. And I'm just going to take this and I'm going to go left 2 units, which is 1, 2, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's where my top of my triangle should be. And the only one that looks like that would be B. So I didn't even have to move the whole thing. I just had to move 1 point and make sure I knew exactly where it went. The next one, it says if polygon ABCD is dilated, that means multiplication. Dilation means multiply, so you're going to multiply it by 1/2. What coordinate would go with B? So let's start with coordinate B here, which happens to be -4 and -2. And if we're dilating by 1/2, that means that we are multiplying each coordinate by 1/2. So I'm going to come over here and go ahead and put in my calculator. -4 multiplied by 1/2 is -2. So I'll put that right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back here and just change that to a -2. And that makes it a -1. So when I dilate, B ends up being -2, -1. So now I'm going to look at this next one. It says identify the coordinates of the image of triangle ABC after a dilation about the origin with a scale factor of 2. Again, dilation means I'm multiplying by 2. And it wants all of the coordinates. So I'm going to look down here at the bottom of the screen where I have all of the coordinates. And I'm going to go ahead and draw coordinates above it for the new positions. This will be C prime, B prime, and A prime. And all I have to do is multiply each one by 2. So -2 times 2 is -4. 4 times 2 is 8. So that would be A prime. -2 times 2 is -4. -3 times 2 is -6. -4 times 2 is -8. And -3 times 2 is -6. So that's all you had to do to dilate. You could have easily used your calculator. Let me show you on point A. You could have put in -2 times that dilation factor of 2 is -4, which you see I did right there. And then it was 4 times 2, which is 8, which you also see right there. So that's not very hard to do. Let's go ahead and go to the next point. It says identify the coordinates of an image of triangle ABC after a reflection over the y-axis. So your y-axis is right here. So let's figure out where they're going to be. We're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's my new A prime. And then C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be right there, C prime. And get my pen back from you. So this is C prime. And B is 1, 2, 1, 2. So that would be B prime. So the new coordinates for A are 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. The new coordinates for B are 1, 2, and -3. And my new coordinates for C are 1, 2, 3, 4, -3. Okay, so just take your time and make sure you know where to go with these. And transformations advanced, we'll put that